mountains of West Virginia. How is everything going on, my people? This is beautiful scenery here. I want to share it with you over here because I had the opportunity to come in this area where they have mountains ranging from north to south, east to west, and I believe you guys are going to like the view, which is just breathtaking view. You can look at, at the end of the site, we have mountains that they rise high, and then on level service at above sea level, and it's windy. That's how it is in the mountains. It gets really windy, really windy, like the wind blowing everything off the ground if you're not careful enough. So kumurabyo bivugwa, what are we gonna talk about? Fuel is very expensive right now, almost $1 up because of the Iran war going on. It's a crazy situation, right? Yes, beautiful, breathtaking sight and a breathful wind, enjoying nature. And this wind, I don't know if I'm going to enjoy it the way I planned. Almost rolling down in the valley, and my camera skills have to come in the play right now. All of you guys are will be able to watch these sights here. Breathtaking scenery here. If you can watch clearly, you see the mountains forming some shades down there. It's just breathtaking. It's the nature you look at, and you feel your life is coming back to life, not to normal. Just something you have to happening. Let's think about what's happening in the world. Things are getting crazy. You see the things are going, but in some towns in America, people are finding very expensive right now to buy fuel. Diesel is going up, gasoline going up, and then after that, home appliances go up, food go up, maybe your clothes go up, and anything can just change in mere time. It's a matter of time. Right now things can just go up. So while you're thinking about what's going on in the world, this is a great time to have some moments of watching nature. geography, type of landscape, wind, breathful wind, cool wind. You know, spring wind is just different. You know, it's not hard, it's not cold. It just gives you the moment vibe. You know. Now I admire people living in these areas. You know, they really live in nature. They really get the benefit of living in the world. Yes.